It's 7:30 a.m. in Peoria, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix, and we're at Crossroads Plaza, where I like to stop, order on the app, then ride up to the railing you can see up there, and they bring my coffee out to me. Yeah, they know me. It's such a beautiful morning. The air is just so clear. We got a little bit of rain last night. It's still a little bit early for people to be out on a Sunday morning, and it's going to be just a gorgeous day all day. My goal today is to get to the Walmart neighborhood market, pick up some milk and other stuff I have on my list, so I'm taking the long way, which is what I always do. I'm pretty sure I've been doing this all of my life. I call it taking a long cut. So if you want to know the shortest way to a place, I'm not the person to ask. When I lived in Los Angeles, I very, very rarely took the freeway. I would leave with plenty of time and take places like Mulholland Drive, Topanga Canyon, places like that. I would stop at yard sales. I would buy lemonade from lemonade stands. I would just stop and look around, talk to people. I still like to do that. I really like to stop at yard sales. Not that I need anything, but I like looking at stuff. And I'll pay for my entertainment. I like to walk up, ask who's in charge, hand them $1, and then say, hopefully I can find something that's worth $1. And if I can't, well, that's fine too. It seems to me that when I started doing that, it was $0.25. That was a long time ago. And no, I'm not rich, but I am wealthy. And there's a distinction that I make between being rich and wealthy. To me, rich people just kind of sit around looking at their money and being miserly. Wealthy people spread it around. So what I've got is enough to spread around. I've got $1. I'm one of those elderly people who's on what I think they used to call a fixed income. So I don't really have a lot of money. But I really don't have a lot of expenses, especially not owning a car. Owning a car costs money, lots of it. Okay, we're coming up on a more congested area up ahead, and I'm going to have to concentrate on what I'm doing instead of daydreaming. Okay, here we are at the Walmart neighborhood market. I like this place a lot. I get here early in the morning. I think they open, what time do they open? At 6, and they've got a bike rack, which is especially nice. Easy in, easy out. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.